What's your favorite animal?
Well, cat is my favorite animal. I have one cat in my house, and and it is Persian breed. So it has blue eyes. I like cats because they are so lovely and friendly at the same time. So I can spend most of the time with my cat.
Okay, mashallah, this is very good. So that is why cat is my favorite
Favorite
animal.
animal.
Good job, excellent. You really spoke well. Let's go on.
What is the most popular animal in your country?
The most popular animal in my country, I think, is dog. There are various kinds of breeds of dogs in my country. So people mostly buy dogs according to their taste, like whatever breed they want. So in a nutshell, I must say that dog is the most popular animal in my country.
Well done, fantastic. Let's go on.
Where do you prefer to keep your pet, indoors or outdoors?
Well, I prefer to keep my pets indoor because there are variety of things that you can train your pet in certain ways. So I prefer to keep my cat indoor because it's very easy for me to deal with her, or as well as to provide different things according to her need.
Okay, have you ever had a pet in your childhood?
No, I haven't had a.
I didn't have.
I didn't have a pet in my childhood because my parents didn't
Allow me.
didn't allow me to keep a pet. So today when I am younger, so I bought a cat on my own.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. All right, overall your answers are good. You're speaking very energetically, actively. These type of things are always appreciated by the examiner. There are minor grammatical errors, so just try to overcome those mistakes in tenses. Okay, thank you.